help me. I need you to help me.
Oh
Can
my
you
gosh.
please
Can
call this parent?
I need to finish this project.
this student to go to the phone.
Miss
Right
Charles.
Stop, I don't care about the
Mr.
boys'
Rodney.
washroom.
Call them and get
I
them
don't
on
care.
the phone.
Oh my God.
Tell them to go home.
You go do it yourself.
Hey, Kim, we got
Can
some.
we use the restroom? Can we use the restroom?
Why do you have to use the restroom every day, Nazar? Why? Why?
Hold on,
Every
Kim, we got
day.
other people here.
No problema. OMG.
Kim, I need help. I can't do this.
No.
I can't do it.
No,
It's too
everybody.
much.
No,
Rock,
you know
rock,
what?
rock.
Not my problem.
Problem.
Not my problem.
Meredith, what else is going on?
Come on, kid.
No, not my problem.
got a phone
Go
call.
away.
Park
Go away.
Can we use the restroom? Can we use the restroom?
Stop using the restroom. Don't drink any water and don't use the restroom.
Wait, Miss Pond needs to talk to Miss Freeman too.
I just want to goof off. You know why?
Oh, not your problem.
Not my problem.
Okay.
Miss Kim. Take a number. Take a number.
No, she can do PM and I can do AM.
I'm
better.
Oh my God. You know what? I quit. I retire. I'm retiring. I can't take it anymore.
It's not my problem?
It's not my problem.
I'm still standing, and every day, looking like a true survivor,
Feeling like a little kid.
and I'm still standing after all this time. Till now my life without you on my mind.
I'm still standing.
Yeah.
I'm still standing.
2.
Yeah. All right. Goodbye, Miss Freeman. We'll miss you.
Bye, everybody. I'll miss you too.
All right, Dixon. Yeah. You guys gotta make a dance for that now. Create a dance for the ABC song. That's right. Two, three.
I can't believe my friend opened the note.
Nope, not good enough. Damien, you're talking. Go again.
I can't believe my friend opened the note.
Okay, gotta keep going, man. You're not loud enough. You're not convincing. I can't believe my friend opened the note. I can't believe my friend opened the note.
Wait, hold on.
Bro!
Like that. Like that. Bro, I can't believe you opened the note.
Bro, I can't believe you opened the note. You.
Action. Young Stevie unfortunately lost his computer that day in Mr. Loftus's class. He was very sad for not showing integrity. I think he's learned his lesson. What do you think, Camila and Isaiah?
Yeah. He shouldn't have been on that website. We told him not to.
We told him not to, but he was like, don't worry about it. Keep it a secret.
No, don't say that. Don't say keep it a secret.
He
All right.
said that though.
Oh, he said that. All right. Young Stevie. Stevie. Can you show your face? Okay. Stevie. Leader's done. How are the girls doing here? Yeah, they're rocking it. Good job, girls.